Now, suppose you are having the dates in the USA format and you want to convert that into a UK format. But now these are not recognized by Excel. So how will you do that? Either you can use text function for that, but let's try if it works. So let's say text. This is the source, and then ddmmyyyy, and bracket closes. So in this case, it has not given us what we wanted.
Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on Being Skilled.